go!
Game on!
Yes, go! God, so retarded. Old people. Did that. Brent, use the cover. What? Use the cover. Use the cover.
Oh, I'm getting away from you.
Oh, God.
Look. Oh, good. Tyler, once you throw it, go for the flat.
That was a grenade!
That was pretty.
That was terrible. That was terrible, Tyler.
That was not terrible.
Mine's way louder than that.
Yeah, but mine killed.
Take the shield and just go for it.
Got me. Good job.
If I got the flag, should I run back to our spawn?
Yes.
Oh, there's someone right in the building. Right inside.
Oh, hit.
I'm hit. Take out.
Come on.
Oh, that's perfect. Got me. Did you hear me riding the hit? Oh, that's perfect.
Where's the rest of our team?
That is get shot in the nut.
Okay, hey! Reset it! Put it in the middle! Put it in the middle again! Fine, get the other flag! Just, do you have my other flag?
No,
My EWA one.
I gave him to Logan.
Logan! Do you have my other flag? Damon said he gave my flag to you.
That's the one we got.
No, the other one. I had two. There's two. I had an EWA one too. Oh, yeah, I have two. Do you have my other one?
I'll sit on my bag. Let me go grab it.
Yeah, let's go grab it.
Go.
I can take this too.
It's
gonna be harder if one
No, it's not limited.
Go. Go.
Oh, I know the tire saw
It's
me
just-
across. Good.
We'll just go unlimited, just because it's
Did I
easier.
even hit you?
I know I hit you. Had to have hit you.
Somebody hit me. Right,
No,
right on the
keep going limited, because then it just ends quickly.
How does it end quicker? You kill people, then they're dead, and then you
Exactly, because it ends quickly.
But everybody, say if there's two people sitting in the spawn watching the flag, and they
Well,
keep
they
getting
can't
shot,
just
they don't
camp,
die,
though.
they keep
Why
shooting
don't we
back.
put the flags in the spawn flag?
Oh?
So the flags are in the
The flag will be in this room.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and then
The
it will be
flag
in
will
this
be
room.
in the red.
Nope, the white room.
Yeah.
Yeah, our spawn's right there, and the flag's right there.
You spawn, you can just see the flag right there. That's
Okay.
done for.
God, you hit me right in the finger, God.
We're gonna put that one in the car. Put that one in the car.
What? How's in the spawn? The white room?
Morgan shot me in the fat.
In the fat?
In the fat.
Okay, go ahead, guys. Go set that up in your spawn.
It shouldn't hurt very bad.
Guys, go set that in your spawn. We're gonna set this fire spawn, and we'll be ready to go.
Rub it hanging up. Like. Yeah, I threw that. I thought it was on when I threw it. You were back here shooting at me and I threw it, but I think it turned off when I threw it.
I was retarded.
Like, yeah.
You gonna reload your grenade?
No, I'll use it next, once we...
Next time, throw it like in there.
You guys ready? Hurry up, Logan!
In the corner.
Hey.
Perfection.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't.
I do.
Well, that's why you're not perfect.
I'll stand intimidatingly at the window.
Where's our fight?
Alright, ready?
You should move.
Ready?
I know one.
They're dead.
Dude, I recognize all three of them. Lobster did recognize.
Ready?
I know one
Sure
of
they
them.
didn't.
I know one of them.
Are you guys ready?
Hurry up!
They're gonna let you open the door to
that. No.
Yeah, three.
I'm going this way.
Where's our flag? David, get it. Look out. Where's our flag? Tyler, where's our flag?
In the corner. We're by the spawn, like you guys said you wanted. Hit.
Go around.
Tyler. Yeah.
Oh, good job.
Shut that door. You gotta shut that door. People don't shut it. Shut it.
Hold on. Wait a minute.
What?
You're not allowed to go through this? Is that
Yeah,
right?
yeah, unless you're dead, you can't go through that.
Okay.
Okay, just make sure.
Alright. So that's like a wall?
Yeah.
Okay.
Trey! I don't know. Is he...
Trey, you on my team?
No blind firing, by the way. Hit. Get through that hole. Hit. I'm already Yeah, David. Hit. I'm already Why are you getting stuck here? They're over there. So go shoot them. Hey guys, move up. Keep one guy back there, Matt. Let's go.
I think we call that one easy. Chris Barrel was on the touching you, Tyler.
But I know you were there and you didn't know I was there. need one guy. I need one guy. Move up to this board right here.
The whiteboard?
Yeah, right board. There's a guy right behind this board.
Whiteboard. There's a Jonathan.
There's a guy right behind us. Yeah. I said that was a wall, but okay. Said that was a wall, whoever's behind that black thing. That's a wall. It's back there, all the way back in our spawn. But that's a wall that you walk through. You're not supposed to go through there. There you go.